Smartphone installation tutorial. Portrait installation. Smartphone portrait installation requires 4 accessories. Pick up the smartphone portrait plate. Camera fixing screw. Install the camera fixing screw on the smartphone portrait plate as shown in the video. Pick up the smartphone holder. Please pay attention to the relative position and direction of the smartphone portrait plate and the smartphone holder. Screw the camera fix screw into the threaded hole of the smartphone portrait plate. And tighten with an Allen hex key. Loosen the slider lock. Slide the smartphone portrait plate into the end of the fixed plate slider and lock the slider lock. Finally, pull out the smartphone holder. Put your phone in the right place. Thanks for watching.